Do you think Samsung should keep the Galaxy S26 Plus in the lineup, or is it time to let it go? That's the big question everyone is asking right now because the rumors about Samsung's next flagship series are more confusing than ever. Some reports say the Galaxy S26 Plus is gone, replaced by the slim and stylish Edge, but now, fresh leaks suggest the Plus might still be alive after all, and that has left fans scratching their heads. Let's rewind a bit. For years, Samsung's Galaxy S lineup had a very clear structure. You had the standard model, the Plus, and the Ultra. Simple, right? But earlier this year, Samsung shook things up with the Galaxy S25 Edge, a razor-thin device with a 6.7-inch screen that was marketed as sleek and futuristic. The problem? That slim body came with a tiny 3,900 mAh battery, which many people found disappointing for such a premium phone. The Edge looked gorgeous, no doubt about that, but it felt like Samsung sacrificed practicality just to chase style. Many fans compared it to Apple's iPhone Air concept, and honestly, it seemed like Samsung created the Edge mainly to compete with that. Now, when early rumors about the Galaxy S26 series started surfacing, the word was that Samsung would simplify things, ditching the Plus altogether and focusing on the Pro, Edge, and Ultra. It sounded like the company was trimming the fat and pushing forward with a new identity for the S lineup. But the latest reports out of Korea completely flipped that idea. Apparently, Samsung might release both the Galaxy S26 Plus and the Galaxy S26 Edge next year, alongside the Pro and the Ultra. That's for models instead of 3.0. What's going on here? Well, it seems Samsung is still figuring out how to balance innovation, practicality, and consumer demand. The Plus model has always appealed to people who want something bigger than the standard Galaxy, but not as bulky or expensive as the Ultra. If Samsung removes it, they risk losing that middle ground audience. On the other hand, keeping both the Plus and the Edge could create overlap and confusion, and here's where things get interesting. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S26 Edge might not improve much over the S25 Edge in terms of battery size, which was the biggest complaint last year. If that's true, the Edge could once again be seen as style over substance. Meanwhile, the Plus could actually evolve into something very exciting. Imagine a 6.2-inch compact phone with a 200-megapixel main camera and the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. That would give Samsung a way to attract users who love smaller, more practical flagships without sacrificing power